Good evening, everybody. This is the Market Truth nightly review for the equities. We're going to go over the next couple of videos. We're going to go over some of the stocks in the news. Google will be in the news on Thursday after the bell. It's reporting earnings. You'll notice in the upper right-hand panel, this stock's been a laggard the last month or so, and it just caught a bid in the last couple days. You'll see that quarterly buy signal, 633. We need to trade above there for another 2 more days, so that's going to be tricky because that's going to run into earnings. Remember, this is not, we don't generate buy signals off the quarterly, but when we get these quarterly breaks, they go onto our focus list. The ideal scenario is we really, as we get towards the end of the first month of the quarter, we really want to focus on those issues that are broken through those quarterly levels. The upper left-hand panel, I'm just going to go ahead and just do this. Here's the 622 as a buy signal. We needed a day to confirm. We confirmed that today. Lower right hand, this was the intraday, and we pretty much broke through that this morning. That was around 631. That was an intraday buy signal for day traders. And the weekly over here, this is a failed weekly, but I mean, this is not a bearish. This is not a bearish signal. It's impressive when you can even challenge the weekly on the first day of the week. Traded up there on a wick, almost to the tick. 641.61 is a level to watch tomorrow. We need to trade above that and hold above that to confirm. We traded up to 642 today, so that will be a level to watch. But again, the earlier in the week that we get these confirms, the better. So that's Google. Google looks good. We got earnings coming up on Thursday after the bell. Potash we talked about last week in the news. Potash today broke out to a new all-time high, and not much of a move, a 1% move, but strong nonetheless. The upper right-hand corner, we have the quarterly. It's working on a confirm. It went through there today, was indicated above 172, so we kind of broke through there. So we zoom in here, kind of hanging out in that area. We kind of had a wick above there yesterday. We're trading above there today. On the monthly, we broke through there right around 163.50. When you look at the lower left-hand corner, we have not made a weekly. That weekly level is going to be a solid level in the stock because that's going to be a new all-time high, 175.89. We take out that level, this stock's going to move really, really fast. Here on the lower right-hand panel, this is the intraday. You can see that it failed at that intraday volatility level and then broke out later on in the day. So potash, all the commodity stocks have been really strong. Mosaic is another one that's been on fire. Another 52-week high today in this stock. Upper left-hand panel, that's the monthly level. You can see that level is 80.85. We've already confirmed that. Quarterly, again, these quarterlies are significant. As a reminder, they go on our focus list. Those are issues that we want to focus on. So as we move further in the quarter, we're going to get more and more of those. You really want to focus on those issues. That's not a buy signal breaking through that level. That creates our area of focus. You'll notice today, the lower right-hand corner, we did trade through that on an intraday basis. As you can see here, that level was 84.32. We traded through there. We held, closed near the high. The weekly level to watch on Mosaic will be 86.66. Again, what are these weekly levels? These weekly levels are swing trades. They last 2 to 5 days. They expire at the end of the week. They roll over and they start all over again the following week. But they give us great buying opportunities when they test this red line here, which is right around $82. So when we get a test of that weekly low level and that level holds, that gives us a great entry to get into this ticker. And why do we want to do that? Because we have a monthly buy signal, and we want to use any entry on a weekly level to enter that trade. So that's Potash, Google, and Mosaic, and we'll do a few more for you.